and we grind it, season it, grind it again, and stuff it into a casing. We cook it low and slow, and we dry it for between a week and a month, depending on the diameter or the type of dried sausage or salami that we're making.
I got a chance to catch up with Darren Ezzo of Ezzo Sausage Company at Pizza Expo. Darren explains the whole process and the history of this incredible company, which has been in business for over 100 years.
Okay, talking to Darren Ezzo of the Ezzo Sausage Company. Darren, how you doing, man?
Doing very well. It's good to see you, Albert.
What's new in the world of Ezzo?
We're pretty much staying the course with keeping our pepperoni the highest quality that we can make. We're making crumbled and sliced fully cooked sausage now. We have a couple salamis that we're offering, and we're trying to get people understanding that we make other things, other than pepperoni. And we've been doing it for a while. We have some new things on the horizon that we're testing. Other things, chopped, like pre-cooked chopped toppings, or traditional Italian style salamis. And I think we got some good, exciting things on the way.
What I love about Ezzo is the history of your company. Can you talk a little bit about it? How the company started?
Absolutely. So my great-grandfather started the company as a grocery store in Canastota, New York. Made sausage on the weekends, made it through the Great Depression through, bartering with his neighbors and farmers. They were onion farmers themselves, and they also had the grocery store. In the 60s, my great uncle made a factory in North Vernon, Indiana, where my grandfather was the salesman. In the 80s, he picked up a small regional pizza chain called Domino's. And in 1978, we moved the factory to Columbus to make fresh sausage. The Indiana plant burnt down in 1992, and we started taking up that business that he had got.
Right.
Yeah, from there. And so we've been making sausage, what they called sausage for pizza, which is like a precursor to pepperoni. And then we started making pepperoni, and as we could dry it a little better, and here we are.
Okay, so
Years later.
no, I'm no expert in pepperoni, but I understand it's really an American thing rather than something from Italy.
Totally. I love to mess around with the Italians. Be like, come and have some real, authentic American pepperoni. But the good thing is, we were just talking about a customer in DC, an Italian guy, very, great customer, nice guy. And, even for the Italians, we're the only pepperoni that they like to use.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, I think it lives up to their standards as a, nice, spicy salami.
Talk me through the process of how do you make pepperoni?
So-
What's in pepperoni?
Yeah, pepperoni is a ground pork, a little bit of beef. We use whole, crushed ground seasonings, no liquids, no additives, no fillers like mustard flours or mechanically separated beefs or, further processed porks like the pink slime that was really big in the news years ago.
Right.
So it's just whole pork shoulders, beef fat, that kind of stuff. And we grind it, season it, grind it again, and stuff it into a casing. We cook it low and slow, and we dry it for between, a week and a month, depending on the diameter or the type of, dried sausage or salami that we're making.
So once it's dried, it doesn't have to be refrigerated, correct?
It's shelf stable, but we always prefer refrigeration just to maintain the best color and flavor and performance.
Okay. And how many types of products do you make at Ezzo?
So we're probably making about maybe 8. So we have 5 different kinds of pepperoni. We have 2 salamis, and we have sausage.
Okay.
Yeah, so 3 different kinds of sausage. We have raw bulk sausage, we have chopped, crumbled sausage, and the sliced sausage. So, we make 8 or 6, 7, 8 items, and we probably have, out of those, it turns into like 140 different SKUs given the slice counts and the pack sizes and all that kind of stuff.
Now, is Ezzo a commercial product? Like, can I buy it in my grocery store, or is it only for commercial use?
We are primarily a B2B food service, like wholesale item, but we have companies like the Pennsylvania Macaroni Company, penmac.com. You can order online, they'll ship it to your door. Surface Culinary, Los Angeles. I think it's in a neighborhood called Hawthorne. And, we have little delis, Wyland's Market in Columbus, Littleton's Market in Columbus. There's shops in Toronto that you can buy it by like the third of a pound, kind of like they'll break it down for you. But no, primarily it's a B2B. We've kind of been toying around with a subscription service, like a quarterly subscription, and you can get like a few pounds of pepperoni and salami or a mix of different things.
Right.
But yeah, we're playing around with some options, so that might be something in the future that we can.
The other thing, we have talked about this in the past. Talk about price. Is Ezzo a budget pepperoni or high quality?
No, I think I wouldn't say, we're certainly not a budget. I'd say we're on the higher end of the quality spectrum. We definitely have a different philosophy in how we make our product, and I think the price really reflects that. So, I've always believed you get what you pay for. We don't put any junk in our stuff. We're not looking at pinching, pennies or trying to make the blends cheaper by like a nickel or a dime or something like that so we can put more money in our pocket. We're trying to create a product that's the best, possible food for our customers' pizzeria.
The other thing that's fascinating, it's a family business.
Yeah,
the whole family's involved, fourth generation.
Yeah, my brother's right behind me. Worked for the company. My brother-in-law works for the company. My dad's still, the sole proprietor of the business. So, when you call our factory, even our customer service, you want to talk to us. If you don't have our number already, talk to customer service. Real person picks up and they'll transfer it right to us if you need it.
Oh, that just sounds fantastic. How can people find out more about Ezzo and your products?
You can visit our Instagram, Ezzo Sausage Co. You can go to our website, ezzo.com, or you can call us, at the factory. You can get that information on the website. Just give us a call, send us an email. We'll send you samples. You can try it in your shop. It's just that easy, It's nice for me because I don't have to be much of a salesman. I could just let you make the decision on your own.
The product speaks for itself. I got to say, a number of years ago here at Pizza Expo, someone said, "Hey Albert, get this, try Ezzo pepperoni." Man, it just blew me away. The taste was just amazing.
Yeah, happy to hear that because we do take pride in what we do, and it's monotonous and repetitive, and we do the same thing every day. But because of that, we keep a very tight control and consistency on our product, and that's what we find is paramount. We want it safe, clean, and high quality.
And that's Ezzo.
Yep, that's it.
Darren, thanks a lot for spending time with us.
Thanks,
I appreciate it.
See you.
Okay.